That shit's insane. Yeah, man.
I couldn't get back on it, dude. I was supposed to get on it before the turn.
Man, that turn hit so tight, huh? Fuck.
Upper body strength is weak.
It's all about upper body, you're saying?
Right there.
How did you guys make it over that crest?
With momentum, it's hard.
Fuck. All right, Alex, go. I'll follow you. Son bitch. Go, go, go. Good shit, Alex. Good shit. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, nice. That was badass. I like that turn, that tight turn. Good shit, good shit. See, this is how we do when we skate. We do crazy shit.